Eating maize alone may lead to which of the following disease condition? A. Osteoporosis, B. Pellagra, C. Scurvy, D. Color blindness. And the correct answer is B. Pellagra. The other name for maize is corn. Pellagra can be common in people who receive most of their food energy from corn. Apart from ORS, a child with acute watery diarrhea should receive A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Zinc, D. Vitamin C. And the correct answer is C. Zinc. Supplementary zinc benefits children with diarrhea because it is a vital micronutrient essential for protein synthesis, cell growth and differentiation, immune function, and intestinal transport of water and electrolytes. Which of the following device is used for monitoring and recording uterine contractions? A. Sphygmomanometer, B. Tocodynamometer, C. Thermometer, D. Topography. And the correct answer is B. Tocodynamometer. Tocodynamometers are electronic devices for monitoring and recording uterine contractions during labor. They are applied to the lower part of the uterus using a belt. The strongest stimulus to breathe more deeply and more frequently is A. Increased concentration of carbon dioxide, B. Increased concentration of oxygen, C. Lack of oxygen, D. Increased pH of blood. And the correct answer is A. Increased concentration of carbon dioxide. Normally, an increased concentration of carbon dioxide is the strongest stimulus to breathe more deeply and more frequently. On the other hand, when the carbon dioxide concentration in the blood is low, the brain decreases the frequency and depth of breaths. Which of the following test is done for identifying the presence of occult blood in stool? A. Faucet's test, B. Benzidine test, C. Orthotolidine test, D. Guaiac test. And the correct answer is D. Guaiac test. The stool Guaiac test or Guaiac fecal occult blood test is one of the several methods that detects the presence of fecal occult blood. The test involves placing a fecal sample on guaiac paper and applying hydrogen peroxide, which in the presence of blood yields a blue reaction product within seconds. During which stage of sleep nightmares occur? A. Rapid eye movement sleep, B. Non-rapid eye movement sleep, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Rapid eye movement sleep, REM sleep. Nightmares usually occur during the stage of sleep known as rapid eye movement sleep. Nightmares can be triggered by many factors including stress or anxiety. Inability to verbally describe one's emotional feelings is called A. Ambitendency, B. Echinacea, C. Alexithymia, D. Anhedonia. And the correct answer is C. Alexithymia. Alexithymia is a personality trait characterized by the subclinical inability to identify and describe emotions experienced by one's self. The core characteristic of alexithymia is marked dysfunction in emotional awareness, social attachment, and interpersonal relation. Fear of smell is called as A. Hydrophobia, B. Osmophobia, C. Pathophobia, D. Claustrophobia. And the correct answer is B. Osmophobia. Osmophobia is the medical term for fear, dislike, or aversion to smell or odors. Intolerance to smell is often reported by migraine patients. What is the full form of RNRM? A. Recognized nurse, recognized midwife. B. Recognized nurse, recognized mother. C. Recognized nurse and registered mother. D. Registered nurse, registered midwife. And the correct answer is D. Registered nurse, registered midwife. RNRM stands for registered nurse, registered midwife. Which cranial nerve in mammals has the highest number of branches? A. Vagus nerve. B. Trigeminal nerve. C. Facial nerve. D. Glossopharyngeal nerve. And the correct answer is A. Vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is the cranial nerve in mammals which has the highest number of branches. Vagus nerve is also called 10th cranial nerve. It is the longest and most complex of the cranial nerves. The vagus nerve runs from the brain through the face and thorax to the abdomen. Which bacteria is known as Klebsiella bacillus? A. Vibrio cholerae. B. Corynebacterium diphtheriae. C. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. D. Treponema pallidum. And the correct answer is B. Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Corynebacterium diphtheriae is the pathogenic bacterium that causes diphtheria. It is also known as the Klebsiella bacillus because it was discovered by German bacteriologists Edwin Klebs and Friedrich Loeffler. Alport syndrome is characterized by all of the following except A. Kidney disease, B. Hearing loss, C. Liver disease, D. Eye abnormalities. And the correct answer is C. Liver disease. Alport syndrome is a genetic condition characterized by kidney disease, hearing loss, and eye abnormalities. Alport syndrome is a disease that damages the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys. Alport syndrome can lead to kidney disease and kidney failure. It can also cause hearing loss and problems within the eyes. Alport syndrome causes damage to your kidneys by attacking the glomeruli. What procedure is performed to treat compartment syndrome? A. Open reduction internal fixation. B. Fasciotomy. C. Arthroplasty. D. Hysterectomy. And the correct answer is B. Fasciotomy. A surgical procedure called fasciotomy is the most effective treatment for treating compartment syndrome. Most people with acute compartment syndrome require immediate surgery to reduce the compartment pressure. Fasciotomy is done by a surgeon by making long incisions through the skin and the fascia layer underneath, releasing excessive pressure. The first human virus to be identified was A. Cholera, B. Leprosy, C. Tuberculosis, D. Yellow fever. And the correct answer is drop your answers in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.